Dear knowledge gods, teach us how to add hashtags to our videos. Those blessed hashtags. Come, my child. Drink from the cup of knowledge so that you too may know how to add those blessed hashtags and be found in the search on YouTube. Let's drink. By the way, this is some good tea. This is Japanese matcha, ginseng, currant. Oh my gosh, good, delicious green tea. I love it and I'm spilling it, so I'm gonna put my cup away for a while. It's nice and hot. All right, so let's get semi-serious about this. You guys are seeing those red hashtags that are appearing in other people's videos right above their titles, and you're wondering to yourself, how do I get those blessed hashtags? I Daisha Shakila, am here to help you add those hashtags, get found in the search menu, because as a small creator, we all know hashtags equals being found, which equals views, which equals watch time, which means monetization. Woo! So I'm here to help you on your journey towards monetization. And I am a small creator, so as I find out these tips, I give them to you so we can grow together. And I don't like to waste a lot of time, so let's get right into it. I like to joke with you guys. I don't know, got a quirky kind of personality, but you know, I hope you guys enjoy that. Yeah. First things first, there's something to know, guys. With YouTube, you only get 3 hashtags to add to your video, and I don't know why, but it sounds weird when I say hashtags. You only get 3 hashtags to add to your video, so choose them carefully. I can't talk today. Choose them carefully. You only get 3. Tip here, do not add your hashtags like you're adding keywords. That is a big mistake. Don't hashtag video, hashtag Daisha, hashtag, no. That is not going to help your videos. You're going to have your hashtag, yes, but you're not going to get found in search results, and I'm going to tell you exactly why. Your hashtags need to be a phrase or a search result. So if I were you and I wanted to be found, I would say hashtag how to find videos on YouTube. That phrase is more likely to help you. If you know what people are searching for, make that your hashtag. Hashtag what is the best camera to use for YouTube? That is going to help you get found. YouTube algorithm is going to love that hashtag because it's going to match, and therefore they're going to recommend your video. I do want you guys to be strategic here because you only get 3. It's not like Instagram where you have like 50 or more. You only get 3. So you really have to make those 3 count. A lot of people ask themselves, like, should I hashtag my name? If your name is big, like hashtag Will Smith, then go for it. But do not try to cheat the algorithm and do hashtag Will Smith when your video is about what camera to use for YouTube, because YouTube also looks at your title, your description, and it has some type of a bot that can actually follow and listen to what you are talking about in your video. So if Will Smith name never comes out of your mouth, or it only comes out at the beginning, in the end, their bots can definitely detect that, and you're basically just wasted a hashtag. So don't do that. That's kind of whack. And also, if it was to be found, people are gonna be really upset because they came for one thing and they found another. So 3 hashtags, use them strategically and wisely. And let's get to the second tip and step that I have for you guys. Now, I have played around with these hashtags just to see if they actually work. I have had videos that had 50 views. I am a small creator, so I'm being honest here, guys. I've had videos that had 50 views. I went back, I added the hashtags to that video, and my views went crazy. And I was like, oh my gosh, like it really works. So if you plug in the right hashtags, you have a better chance of being found in the search results. It is not just kind of like Instagram overly saturated. Some hashtags are overly saturated, like how to make a YouTube video, but if you are strategic in your hashtag, it will help you be found. Do a little research there, see what works. You can also search hashtags on YouTube. Yes, I said it. You can search hashtags on YouTube, so play around with it. See what people are searching for, see what's trending, see what works, what's trending, but also is related to the topic that you're talking about. Make it a phrase, because remember, you don't want a keyword hashtag here, and add it to your video, and that is going to help you increase your views. An important step to note here is that when you upload your video, YouTube will ask you, when did you shoot this video? You can definitely add the date there, but there's also another box that says location. If you add your location, it's going to override your hashtag, so watch out for that. If you turn on your location or add the location where it says location in the upload process, it's going to override your hashtags. Your hashtags will not show. The only thing that will show above your title is going to be your location. Now, for some creators, this is amazing. They need to be found by their location, such as travel vloggers. If you have a local business, a lot of entrepreneurs have business in their city and they want to be found based on their location. So for those people that need location services, definitely add your location. Do not worry about hashtags because you're location based. There is a trick to getting around this. I would say add your location in your video. At the start of your video, you could have your location there. You can also put your location in the description of your video, so that way you can still use your hashtags and not have to sacrifice those hashtags. If you don't want to put them in the description, as I said, put them in the video, like, hey, I'm Daisha in Toronto, Canada, come on down to 555, whatever your address is. That way you can still add hashtags and be found based on those hashtags, but you don't have to sacrifice location either. Because let's be honest, a lot of travel bloggers, hey, I'm going to Jamaica, they want to be found based on their location. Now, let's get down to the secret sauce, the moment you guys have all been waiting for. How do you add hashtags? Exactly, Daisha. Yes, I got you guys. You are going to upload your video. Then you are going to upload your thumbnail. And there is this wonderful magical box called the description. Once you add your description, add your links, then you are at the bottom going to add your lovely 3 very well strategized hashtags. Yes, you add your hashtags in your description box. That is going to help you be found. A lot of people don't like hashtags, so they don't want the hashtags to be the only thing you see in their description. And let me tell you, if you have no description, just your 3 hashtags, guess what? You are not going to be found based on your keywords. So you have to remember, all of your tools are supposed to be used together. Now, your description helps YouTube's algorithm like pick out keywords. Then they're also going to have that bot that picks out keywords in your video. They're going to match those up, and that's how you're going to also be found. If you only have hashtags, it's a dud. If you only have links and then your hashtags, that is also, in my opinion, a dud. Unless you already have momentum, you already have people that know who you are, then it could work out in your favor. But if you are a small creator and you want those views and you need that watch time, definitely add a description, then links, and then at the very bottom, your hashtags, and they will still show up in red right above your title. That is how you do this, people. It is a game. It is time to hustle. If you believe in your channel and you want to know more about my tips and my tricks that I have found, because as soon as I find out about them, I make a video about it and I give it to you. So hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I cannot talk today. Turn on your notifications and come back for more. That is all I have for you guys, and thank you for tuning in, sticking around. Oh my gosh, I think I just passed 245 subscribers. So for a small creator such as myself, I'm really proud of that, and I'm totally thankful. And I really have to pee because I've been drinking a lot of tea this morning. So guys, let me know what other videos you want to see, what other topics you know need me to cover or would like for me to cover. Leave it in the comment section, and kisses, besos. I am out.